Hi, I'm in a StoneBridge crossing area with the LGI home sales rep. His name is Lee.
How you guys doing?
Yeah, so we are trying to show some of the floor plans they have over here, and we are standing in front of Travis.
Travis.
How many
floor
square
plan.
foot?
So it's a 5-bedroom, 2.5 baths, around 2,580 square feet.
I see. And the price is somewhere 277,
277.9.
as of now.
As of now, right?
Okay, so they're increasing the prices, so we gotta act really, really fast. So tell me a little bit about the StoneBridge crossing area. Where are we sitting at?
So StoneBridge Crossing, we are located in Jarrell, Texas. So it's on the outskirts of Austin. So it's conveniently located right off 35. So we're going to be about 30 minutes from the Killeen area. We're going to be 25 minutes from North Austin, 15 minutes from Round Rock, 10 minutes to Georgetown, 40 minutes to downtown Austin. So yeah.
A lot of people ask two very important questions. The question is, how far are you at from the new Tesla plant?
New Tesla plant? Oh, so we literally just clocked it the other day. So about 32 minutes.
32 minutes?
Straight shot, yeah.
What about the Apple campus that's in Round Rock?
Apple campus is about 30 to 35 minutes. Oracle's about 35 minutes. Dell campus is about 25 minutes.
Okay.
And that's no traffic.
Okay.
So
and 30 minutes to the domain.
30 minutes to the domain, correct.
Okay.
Correct.
What are the amenities that you have?
So
in
here,
this community?
so it's a true LGI community, so there's no other builders out here. They're gonna have community park, dog park, walking trails, playgrounds throughout. So,
okay. So as of now, I do know that everything is sold out.
Correct.
There's nothing that we can even buy. But I'm making this video for the ones who are waiting to invest or move to Jarrell.
Right.
How many floor plans do you build?
So we have 5. We have our Canyon, our Frio, our Rio. I know it's a tongue twister, right?
Medina?
Canyon, Frio, Rio, Medina, and the Travis.